Wow, the only Ayala Land community with a 360-degree view of Tagaytay Highland, Makati skyline, Laguna Bay, and of course, the famous Mount Makiling. This is not your usual retirement investment. This is Sereneo. A blessed Sunday here in the Philippines sa mga viewers natin abroad, western parts of the world, US, Canada, of course in Europe, and also in Australia and United Arab Emirates, and saan man sulok ng mundo, mga Filipinos abroad na naghahanap ng retirement home. Wala na tayo sa viewing deck ng Sereneo kasi pwede na mismo sa fields, no? Dito mismo sa site ng Sereneo of Alveo. So as you can see, kahit nasa baba ako, usually kasi ang viewing deck makikita mo yung view. Pero kahit nasa baba ako, imagine, no? Ito talaga yung magiging streets in the future, pero kita nyo pa rin itong Tagaytay Highlands. Ganito kataas yung land elevation ng Sereneo. And mind you guys, bakit nagiging best-selling ang Sereneo of Alveo? Number one, ito lang ang Alveo community na dinedevelop. Very first, na ang katabi is an Ayala Land Premier community. Market value appreciation-wise, nahahawa siya sa isang exclusive or yung top-tier development ni Ayala. Number two, speaking of Ayala Land Premier project, actually Alveo and Ayala Land Premier already merged. So expect itong Sereneo na you get the best of both worlds dahil yung amenity, how they do this or develop this Sereneo para talagang Ayala Land Premier project. Also, dahil pinatter nila sa Ayala Land Premier amenity, this is the only Alveo project na magkakaroon ng 3-hectare Central Park and the biggest pool complex across all New Valley project. You will be having a 770 square meter pool complex. Imagine how big it is. This is Sereneo, at bago tayo mag-discuss kung bakit ito yung best-selling, alamin muna natin through a road trip kung paano makapunta dito. Just like sa mga previous vlogs natin, mag-start tayo dito sa Soledad 1 where the famous man-made lake is located, and at the same time nakita nyo, no, nahagip yata kanina Gion, meron tayong weekend market dito sa Soledad 1. So mula here, pupunta ulit tayo kay Sereneo para makita nyo hindi lang ito yung dinedevelop ni Ayala na commercial development. Meron din along the way na napakaraming commercial development that is easily accessible and exclusive to the New Valley residents. And yeah, we're here in Soledad 1. Ang daming cars, nakikita nyo, no? A lot of foot traffic. It means napakaganda ng economic activity because it's also Sunday here. So, yung mga after mag-church sa area, so dito yung diretsyo nila, no, sa Soledad here in New Valley. So, ang daming cars, and at the same time, ang ganda pa rin ng panahon, and hindi siya yung katulad sa ibang, like for example sa Manila, no, na walang green, walang open spaces na nakikita. Kahit madaming cars, wala pa rin technically parang bumper to bumper traffic, and ang bilis matapos nitong Soledad 4, which is an extension of Soledads 1, 2, 3 in preparation sa ginagawa ding SM Aura Premier. So napakagandang indication din ito na patuloy yung developments dito, natitik yung nasa triangle, may it be an institution, academic institution such as De La Salle University, UST, but big commercial malls as well such as here na itatag at ipepeg siya as the Greenbelt of the South. Kasi ipapakita namin, di ba kamukhang-kamukha niya yung render nito kapag natapos itong Soledad 4 para talaga siyang Greenbelt, which is just next to Landers and SNR. And at the same time, of course, the SM Neo Verde Premier, which is patterned, no, to SM Aura Premier na magkakaroon din ng tower for BPO. And papunta na tayo ulit dito sa area papuntang Sereneo, and makikita nyo, bababa tayo mamaya sa tinatawag naman nilang Central Block. Alam ko kung hindi na medyo music. Parang may connect na. This is your meeting live. Buong sarili yung yung nakita mong maganda nga. Picture, parang this is how you do invest real. Oh, ito nga. And we are here in Central Block. So this is technically the very first commercial establishments na dinedevelop inside the residential community of Nuvali. We all know Nuvali is a 2,400 hectare development, and right now, ang bustling talaga, which is easily accessible by public, is the Soledad 1, 2, 3, and 4 with Landers and SNR. But right now, papunta sa Sereneo, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na gumagawa at nagbi-build ng ganitong commercial areas si Nuvali exclusive for the residents of their estate development. So technically, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta doon. If gusto nyo mas exclusive, mas walang masyadong tao, don't worry. Ginagawa ito ni Ayala. And right now, meron na tayong structure which is the shop. So technically, maraming alfresco dito, merong grocery shop na Mary Mart, magkakaroon dito ng mga coffee shop. So yung mga everyday na kailangan nyo, everyday living, nandito na lahat. So ito yung isa sa pinakamalapit kay Sereneo na you don't need to go there sa unahan kay Soledad just for you to go on a commercial establishment. So tara, mag-continue na tayo papunta sa Sereneo. That's it. Let's continue going to Sereneo. You know what I like about Ayala? Well, it's still Ayala brand. And kung meron man akong developer na susugal ako kung ano yung magaling talaga when it comes to development, this is really their forte. It's still Ayala for me. You know, napakadami nilang estate development, but they keep on, beating their existing developments, and napakalalim ng bulsa nila na hindi nila kailangan na mag-rely sa mga sales, no, ng mga properties na binibenta nila just for them to create a community like this in Nuvali. So imagine, kahit konti pa lang yung residents dito, and this is already 15 years na, no? I think, si Nuvali, but still, the maintenance, the long-term commitment of Ayala is still here. Yun yung lagi kong sinasabi. It's not just about the specific subdivision or yung loob ng subdivision yung binibili mo. Sometimes, long-term benefit, ano ba yung outside ng subdivision mo? Paano ba to i-maintain? Ano ba yung safety and security? And that is Ayala brand, that is Nuvali. And ang kakaiba dito sa area, on our left is already the Rockwell South. So, yung mga premier developers in the area, they are just next to each other. So, katulad nito si Rockwell, everyday nang bukas yung Bizu restaurant nila, that is also accessible by Nuvali residents. Nandito siya sa Nuvali residential area. So, technically, when it comes to market value appreciation, it's not just Ayala that is the major player. And it's not just the usual developer in the Philippines. Guys, it's Rockwell. So, market value appreciation-wise, if hindi nyo man ito nakikita, as your retirement home, meron tayong nakikita na talagang major drivers na hindi ka talaga magkakamali sa investment kapag Ayala brand. Talagang mabilis, hindi lang nag-a-appreciate. Lahat naman ng real estate nag-a-appreciate. Pero, bakit mabilis ang market value appreciation ni Ayala brand? Because of this. Because on how they create a community. So, itong tumbok na ito yung sinasabi natin dati sa video na magiging parang tower na kasing laki ng market, and yung top nito is magiging parang alfresco dining with a 360-degree view of Mount Makiling, Laguna Bay, and Makati skyline. So another commercial area, and then on our right, itong grasses pa lang ngayon, this will be an Alveo commercial strip. So, hindi lang yung central block, papalapit ng papalapit at marami pang commercial area right next to Sereneo. Actually, nandito na tayo agad, no? Diretsuhin lang natin to. On our left, yung mga naunang mga Alveo projects dito sa area. But what makes Sereneo unique to other Alveo projects? It is the closest Alveo projects that is patterned to an Ayala Land Premier community. So, you have the best of both worlds, no? Dahil maliliit ang lot cut, hindi kasing mahal at kasing laki ng mga lote ng ALP, but you have the exclusivity, the amenities, and how the Ayala Land Premier community is curated, no? You have this in Alveo o na Sereneo. And that's it. On our left is Miriam College Nuvali. This is the closest educational institution to Sereneo. And nandyan na si Sereneo sa front natin. Actually, they already have the sales office. But of course, our favorite para mas makita natin yung view dahil si Sereneo ngayon ang may pinakamataas na land elevation na ino-offer ng Alveo. Dun tayo sa may view. And we're here at the site of Sereneo from our road trip. At the back, no, ito yung Mundia, which is also an Alveo project. So, yung pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ng mga houses, bakit ko pinapakita? Dahil ito yung magiging theme also of Sereneo. Modern contemporary. So, nakikita nyo yung ibang mga houses, no, minimum of 2 floors talaga, and then yung iba, nagkakaroon ng viewing deck sa taas. Kasi nga, sobrang ganda ng view. Pero kay Sereneo, mas mataas pa yung land elevation, so mas kita nyo pa yung 360-degree view ng Tagaytay Highlands, Mount Makiling, Laguna Bay, and of course, yung Makati skyline. And na-confirm ko na kasi nakakita ko sa ibang Alveo projects, pwedeng mag-bungalow na sa Alveo projects subject, no, to approval ng ating Ayala Land Premier or Ayala Land Property Management Office. So I think mas pwedeng mag-bungalow pag mas malaki yung lot area na bibilhin mo sa kanila. So imagine that, and at the same time, this is still pre-selling, guys. So what I mean about pre-selling, hindi ka mag-pay in cash. You are locking in the current price. You are getting the best of both worlds dahil ito ay pinattern nila sa Ayala Land Premier Development pero nasa mas affordable side kasi nag-o-offer sila ng mas manageable na lot cut sizes. So technically kasi kaya nagmamahal yung Ayala Land Premier, ang minimum doon 600 square meters. Pero dito, ang minimum natin 275 square meters pero you got a development or a community na ng pinaka-exclusive na development ni Ayala. And also, one of the unique characteristic of Sereneo, you only have 15 lots per hectare. So imagine the density, no? Very low density. Para talaga siyang upscale living ng Alveo. So, you are getting highest land elevation next to an Ayala Land Premier project. Biggest pool complex across all Nuvali amenity sa mga previous at present na mga subdivisions nila, and at the same time, a 3-hectare central park patterned to an Ayala Land Premier community. 3 years to pay down payment at napakadami pa nating makukuha, no, ng mga lots ngayon. So ngayon, i-discuss naman natin ano ba yung recommended lots. Magdi-discuss ako ng hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. Mag-discuss tayo ng 4 to 5 lots para mas makita nyo rin sa mapa kung gaano siya kalaki, ano yung pre-selling at down payment term, and of course, the August promo. Let us also highlight the existing road construction dito sa side ng Sereneo. Kasi sa Sereneo, we have our main gate and we also have our secondary gate dito sa road na ito. So, as you can see, this is not just your usual 2-lane na roads. Magiging 4 lanes ito, no, as I estimate right now. And kita nyo naman, bakit may land elevation talaga si Sereneo. Mind you guys, wala pa tayo sa highest elevation area ni Sereneo, pero kitang-kita pa rin, no? Kitang-kita pa rin yung Tagaytay Highlands. Kitang-kita pa rin yung Mount Makiling kahit nandito ako sa isa sa pinaka, no, mababa na land elevation ni Sereneo, at kitang-kita pa rin itong mga houses na technically yung iba second floor na yung kita from this point eh. So yeah, this is also what I like about Ayala. Yun yung lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. They are really making sure na it's not just inside the subdivision. Kasi nga, uy, makakamura nga tayo sa ibang property, no? Makukuha na din naman natin yung ganito kalaki na lote, pero ano siya, outside. So, ang binibili natin dito, how Ayala develop their community inside and outside the subdivision, hindi po matatapawaran ng view. Yung land elevation, nandyan na yan forever. So if you are thinking for a retirement community, ito yung isa sa mga hindi na babayaran na akala natin mahal, pero ito pala yung makukuha natin. Kasi imagine, forever na po tayong titira dyan, forever natin siyang magiging retirement home. And that is what Sereneo is offering us. Number 1, let's go first to their entry-level lot cut, which is a 275 square meters. So right now, we have Block 45, Lot 26. And where I'm standing right now, dito yung area niya. Kasi nakikita niyo sa render ng mapa, facing siya dito sa West Diversity Road. So itong ginagawa na ito, West Diversity Road ito, technically hindi pa rin siya perimeter lot eh. Kasi yung perimeter lot, yung likod ng bahay mo, perimeter fence na. Pero ang maganda kay Alveo, it's just facing perimeter fence. So technically, ito yung lote nyo, nakikita nyo sa mapa ngayon, ito yung road, and ito pa, yung perimeter wall. So parang ganito, no? Itong bahay na to yung may hagdan. So technically, it's technically a perimeter lot, quote-unquote sa iba, pero facing lang siya ng perimeter. Ang maganda dito, wala ka ng bahay or wala ka ng block na nasa harap, hindi ka na iba-block, at kitang-kita mo yung Mount Makiling view. So ito yung pinakagusto ko sa property na to. And of course, it is facing east. So technically, morning sun siya. And right now, dahil nga siya yung may pinaka-entry level, isa sa pinakamaliit na lot cut, siya po yung nag-o-offer ng pinaka-affordable. So right now, Block 45, Lot 26, 275 square meter lot cut, the total contract price is 15,180,750 pesos, and then 36 months to pay ang kanyang down payment. So technically, how it works. So for example, this month of August, magre-reserve ka ng 50,000 pesos only. The following month, which is September 2025, dun ka mag-spot payment ng 10%, which amounts to 1,468,100 pesos. And then the following month ulit, which is starting October 2025, mag-i-start ang iyong 36 months down payment, which covers 10% of the whole contract price. So again, from October 2025 to September 2028, your monthly down payment would just be at around 42,200 pesos. Imagine, 42,200 pesos. And then yung maiiwan na balanse, which is 80% no, ng total contract price. So technically, nasa 12.1 million ito plus the 745,000 na miscellaneous fees. So kulang-kulang 13 million, you can loan it through bank. Pero ito yung lagi kong sinasabi sa client ko. Dahil you got the long down payment term, 0% interest, and very low monthly payment na nasa around 42,000 pesos lang, mag-ipon kayo on your personal savings. So the time na matapos ang inyong 36-month down payment, yung 13 million baka mabawasan nyo pa. Baka kakaipon nyo sa savings account nyo, Jaire, meron akong 5 million na naipon at the end of our 3-year down payment term kay Sereneo, i-advance nyo, so 8 million na lang yung ilo-loan nyo, you also bought the time. At mas makakapag-focus kayo sa planning ng finances nyo for your dream retirement construction na bahay. Our second lot recommendation is located at Block 41, Lot 1. So this is a corner lot with a lot size of 519 square meters fronting the 3-hectare Central Park development of Sereneo. So this is one of the prime lots dito sa area, kaya after mo magbayad ng 10% spot payment, sa 36 months, hindi 10% yung naka-allot. 30% na of the total contract price kasi prime lot na ito. So technically, mas malaki yung ia-allot mo sa down payment for the duration of 3 years, pero okay lang yon. At least 60% na lang yung maiiwan at the end of the down payment term. So again, mag-reserve ka lang ng 50,000 pesos for the month of August. Sa second month, which is September 2025, ang inyong 10% down payment, which is 3.2 million pesos. So lumaki siya kasi ang total contract price ng loteng ito is at around 32.7 million because prime lot, corner facing Central Park, and you have a massive 519 square meter lot. Pero ang maganda dito, maganda siya sa market value appreciation, and dahil meron siyang selling point ng mga ganito corner facing Central Park, maganda siya kapag i-flip mo in the future kung hindi mo tatayuan ng retirement home. Pero kung tatayuan mo naman ng retirement home, parang hindi mo na paproblemahin na magpupul pa ba ako sa loteng to, mas makakapag-focus ka na mas malaki yung open space mo. Kasi katapat mo lang, no, yung 770 square meter pool complex at yung 3-hectare Central Park where you can jog anytime, tapat lang ng bahay mo. So talagang right across your lot. So after the 3.2 million, magsisimula sa October 2025 to September 2028, ang inyong monthly down payment na 272,600 pesos, kasi 30% nga siya of the total contract price. Kaya ang maiiwan na lang after 3 years is around 19.6 million plus 1.6 million na other charges where you can loan it through bank. So malaki talaga, no, yung gap niya sa ating first lot recommendation na introductory lot na 275 square meters, pero you are getting what you pay for kasi it's one of the premium lot cuts. Nakikita nyo sa ating ngayon, mapa, no, sa render kung gaano kaganda yung location niya. So ito nakikita ko hindi lang pang end use, pero ang ganda rin for investment, lalo na kapag i-flip mo in the future. So mas malaki din yung magiging return sa inyo. And for our third lot recommendation, it's located in Block 3, Lot 3 with a lot size of 355 square meters. Marami and best-selling din itong lot na to because as you can see on the map, it's a single loaded lot, and at the same time, it's very near main entrance. But technically, may exclusivity pa rin kasi nakikita nyo sa lot ngayon, dahil nga single loaded lot siya, yung frontage mo is nandito facing the road, at yung back mo technically is just an open space. So wala kang neighbor. So premium lot, but the size is somehow still manageable kasi hindi siya ganun kalaki, 355 square meters. So the total contract price is 19.4 million pesos. So again, mag-start ka lang magbayad ng reservation na 50,000 pesos for the month of August 2025. 1 month after the down payment, you will just pay a 10% spot payment, which amounts to 1,891,400 pesos. And then starting October 2025 up until September 2028, your monthly payment will only be 54,000 pesos. So it's comprised of 10%, no, for over 36 months na monthly down payment. So technically, may maiiwan ka na about 80% na balance sa dulo, which is at about 15.5 million plus your 953,000 pesos other charges or miscellaneous fee na you can also loan it through bank. So imagine, single loaded lot, main entrance, wala kang katabi sa likod, just an open space, no, napaka-prime ng location, but your monthly down payment for 3 years is only 54,000 pesos. So this is one of the lots dito sa Sereneo na I can say na steal. Kasi you don't need to pay a large amount of money, pay it in cash para lang maka-lock in ang price. And imagine, halos every 2 months nagpa-price increase yung property. So just reserve it, magbayad ka lang over 36 months kahit hindi mo pa na-fully pay, nagma-market value appreciate na siya over time. Let's go back to our prime lot recommendation. This is located at Block 16, Lot 8, located at one of the highest elevation of the Sereneo community with a lot cut of 394 square meter. So actually, this is a Central Park lot kasi kung nakikita nyo, technically single-loaded siya at ang likod niya is a jogging path or open space na kasama sa 3-hectare Central Park. So kita nyo, ang ganda ng location nito, at the same time, yung likod mo talagang greenery lang. So kapag maggawa ka ng bahay, no, na meron parang lanay sa likod, so pwede kang maglagay ng parang technically space where you can have your coffee and read your newspaper kasi green lang yung magiging view mo. So the total contract price of this lot is at 22,560,525 pesos. So dahil nga prime lot siya, 10% spot, and then yung 30% yung allotted for our 36-month monthly down payment. So mag-reserve ka lang ng 50,000 pesos for the month of August dahil promo ngayong August. The following month, the 10% spot down payment, which amounts to 2,206,100 pesos. And then for a prime lot, meron ka lang monthly payment na 188,100 pesos for 3 years or 36 months. That's still a steal for a prime lot dito sa Sereneo, and at the same time, yung maiiwan na 13.5 million at around 1.1 million after 36 months, you can loan it through bank, or sinabi ko nga kanina, mag-ipon kayo sa personal savings para at the end of your down payment term at maglo-loan na kayo sa bank, hindi na 13 million yung ilo-loan nyo. Pwede kayong mag-allot, no? For example, nakapag-ipon kayo ng about 5 to 10 million pesos para sobrang konti na lang ng malolo nyo in the future. And for our last lot recommendation, very manageable lang size, 280 square meter, located at Block 8, Lot 7. Lucky number yung Block 8. Ang gusto ko dito, you are not paying for a prime lot at napaka-stretch din ng term dahil hindi nga siya prime. Pero yung location niya for me, it's as if you are buying a prime lot. Kasi ang katapat niya is technically an open space, it's a detention pond. Now, ano ba yung detention pond, Jaire? So, nagkikreate yung Ayala community within a subdivision ng ganitong feature. So, nagkikreate ito or nagiging use ito as like a catch basin para sa pag-ipon ng rainwater kapag umuulan para ma-reuse kapag gusto nilang magdilig ng plants or kung ano man yung pwedeng gawin sa rainwater na makakatch. Pero don't worry, kasi sobrang lalim naman ito, napakataas ng lot elevation or land elevation ng Sereneo, baka isipin nyo kasi mag-overflow. Pero sobrang lalim po nitong detention pond. So, kung ako, kaya nakikita nyo sa mapa, siya na lang yung natitira no, na lote na available ngayon dyan sa block na yan. Kasi technically, you are getting a prime lot location dahil open space lang yung katapat mo, but the payment term is only for their introductory price. So the total contract price of this one, below 15 million pesos, it's at about 14,562,600 pesos. Again, reservation ngayong August, 50,000 pesos. The following month, September 2025, 10% spot payment of at around 1,406,300 pesos. And then you only have a monthly down payment of 40,500 pesos for the duration of 36 months or 3 years. And then yung 80% balance na maiiwan, which is at October 2028 pa na around 11.6 million plus 715,000 pesos na miscellaneous fee, pwede mo na i-loan sa bank. So technically, huwag kayong malulula sa mga sinasabi nating numbers. Kasi sa ngayon, yes, mataas yung price niya. Pero dahil na-lock in mo na yung price after October 2028, ano na lang ba yung presyo nun at that time? So, ganoon naman lagi no? Ngayon mahal, pero as time passes by, dahil na-lock in mo na yung price, uy, ito na lang pala yung ilo-loan ko ngayon, no? October 2028, kasi iba na rin naman na yung value ng mga money natin at that time. So, that's it. This is what you will get if you will buy in Sereneo of Alveo, but you are getting an Ayala Land Premier amenity and development. Market value appreciation, check. Ayala Land Premier community with a 3-hectare Central Park amenity, just like in ALP projects, and the biggest pool complex in the whole New Valley subdivision, which is 770 square meters, check. Manageable lot size, check. And a pre-selling term with our August promo na 50,000 lang ang ating reservation. At napansin nyo, no? May promo tayo ngayon dahil month of August, mag-reserve lang kayo ngayong August, September, hindi kayo magbabayad ng kahit magkano, pwede tayo magpa-approve, mag-start na tayo on October. So meron din silang ganong promo ngayon, lalo na sa mga introductory price. So you have to grab it kasi magre-reserve ka lang ng 50,000, malalock in mo na yung price. So I hope nakapag-impart ako ng knowledge sa inyo at yung mga nagbabalak na magkaroon ng retirement home on an upscale community, no? This is your chance kasi pwede na rin tayong magtayo ng bungalow sa mga piling lote natin. So I hope, no, napanood nyo rin ito at ma-share nyo rin to sa inyong mga fellow Filipinos abroad na gustong mag-plan mag-retire dito sa Philippines. Again, this is Jairma Maclay. If you want to have a Zoom meeting or site visit, you may contact me through my local mobile number, WhatsApp, Viber, and iMessage. That is +63927 1851590. My business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. My Facebook page, The Property Geek. Please do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and the follow button for our social media accounts. That is The Property Geek. And of course, you can message me directly through my personal Facebook account. That is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. And maraming salamat po sa mga nagtiwala sa akin for the past month. Marami po tayong natulungan. Shout out kay Tita Meg and Tito Inso, and of course kay Tito Edwin and Tita Mayet, lalo na sa gift nilang polo shirt. So nakakatuwa, sinusuot ko po talaga kasi ang ganda po, and I'm very thankful sa mga clients ko because you are not just treating me as your realtor, but you are also treating me just like one of your family members. So till our next video, this is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your Property Geek, always inviting you to come home to our beautiful islands of the Philippines.